Aisha the cheetah has been forced to higher ground. Daughter to Kike, a celebrated huntress, she now has a family of her own. But she's coaching her cubs in unfamiliar territory. Conditions are far from ideal. But it won't deter Duma, a cub too fearless for his own good. For every difficulty, an opportunity. Rain can hinder her. It can also conceal her. While Duma is keen to help, his sisters stay back. He's never one for following the rules. Like staying hidden. A humiliation for Duma. Disappointment for his mother. Somehow, she must curb his enthusiasm. The rain won't make her task any easier.